This is the Ring Rechargeable Quick Release Battery Pack, a reliable and convenient way to keep your Ring devices powered. I've been using it for a while, and in this video, I'll share my experience with its setup, design, performance, and overall usability, so you know exactly what to expect from this device. Inside the box, you'll find the rechargeable battery pack and an instruction manual. Using this battery pack is quick and easy. Simply press the release tab on your supported Ring device, slide the battery in until it clicks securely, and you're good to go. This hassle-free process ensures your device is ready to use in no time at all, so there's very minimal downtime for your devices. This product has a very simple and compact design, measuring about 3 inches tall and about 2 inches wide. It's easy to handle and features a quick release tab for hassle-free changing and charging. This battery pack is a game changer for my Ring devices. It keeps them powered much longer and works with a variety of models, including Ring video doorbells, the solar floodlight, and the stick-up cam battery. I totally love how reliable it is. My devices stay ready to go without constant recharging. Plus, charging is quick, and a single charge lasts for weeks, and sometimes even up to 2 months, depending on the device. My favorite part, though, is that I don't have to take down my doorbell just to recharge it. I can simply swap in the battery pack, and it's good to go again. It's a simple, hassle-free solution that just makes life easier. I personally love the Ring Rechargeable Quick Release Battery Pack. It's user-friendly, durable, and incredibly convenient. If you own any compatible Ring devices, then I highly recommend getting this.